Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making sugar-free blueberry cheesecake pudding. This is one of my favorite desserts. It's one of the things that I make when I'm craving something sweet without the sugar. And it's made with 4 ingredients. You don't have to use sugar-free to make this, but since I'm diabetic, I have to be really careful. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Whenever my sweet tooth gets the better of me, this is my go-to recipe. It takes 4 ingredients. It's very easy to make, and it is so good. What you need is 1 Jell-O sugar-free cheesecake pudding, 2 cups of milk, a half a package of Cool Whip sugar-free, and a half a package of frozen blueberries, which is about a cup. And the first thing I'm going to do is add the milk and the cheesecake pudding into the bowl and whip it for 2 minutes. Okay, after the 2 minutes is done and it's all whipped up, I'm going to take a half a container of the sugar-free Cool Whip and put that in there, and I'm going to whip that up for another 2 minutes. Okay, it's in there and I'm whipping them away. Okay, the Cool Whip is all whipped in, and now I'm just going to fold in the blueberries. And after I get all of this folded in, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for a half an hour, and that gives it time for all the flavors to meld together and the blueberries to slowly start thawing. Okay, ready to go in the fridge for half an hour, and then we'll be back. Okay, it's been 30 minutes in the fridge, and as I stir this up, you can see how it's starting to change color so that the blueberry gets all the way through. And a couple of spoons of that in a bowl, and it's ready to take care of my craving. And you can also add a dollop of the sugar-free Cool Whip to the top if you want. I don't think it's necessary. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. And happy creating, everyone.